Today we're gonna go over incline dumbbell bench press. So grab a bench, set up on an incline. What you're gonna do to get those weights up is use your legs, kick one up. Even if they're light, get a good habit of doing this. Head back, retract those shoulder blades tight to the bench. Tuck the core in, squeeze it tight, breathing out, pushing all the way up. Notice how my wrists are straight, they're not bent. Keep them up. Keep those shoulder blades retracted, they're not protracted. This will result in a shoulder injury for sure. Retract those shoulder blades tight. Breathing out, imagine pulling those elbows down towards your body. They're not flared out, they're tucked in tight. Breathing out, pushing all the way up. Nice and slow on the way back down. So looking for about 2 seconds up, 2 seconds down. When you're done, knees to the stomach, get your knees up, and slowly sit back up. Don't drop the weights out to the side, could tear your chest muscle or hurt somebody beside you.